Oh. Oh.
Nandito po kami sa Liam's Lomi House. Sarap dito sa Batangas. May maraming mga mapupuntahan, may pasalubong. Busy po dito. Yung palooban. Doon yung main highway. Lomi House.
Alam mo yung
Lomi.
alam na tayo naglumi.
Meron silang puto, tsaka tubig, pandesal.
Disado.
Sado. Alam na mama niyo na ako nagkakain na.
Alam mo, yan ang aming sin food ng tatay. Bawal sa kanyang lomi. Bawal pala, kaya pala nag-vlog ngayon.
So shakies kami, guys.
And your shakies card?
My shakies card.
May name wala.
Wala na name.
Titingnan ko lang yan ngayon. Nakakain ko na.
Card pa kami.
Nandito po kami sa out of nowhere, San Juan, Batangas. Here's the pool. Nandun yung beach. Puntahan daw namin bukas. I don't know if you guys can see that. Say hi, Tay. Hello.
Hello. Hello po. Hello.
Say hi. To my vlog. Pupunta po tayo. Ito po ang aming kids sa Batangas, si Lawrence and Luis. Napaka-talented po nila and napakagalang. And yeah, itong si Lawrence, we just clicked from day one from Antonio's. Nag-breakfast po kami. Nakakarating po lang namin sa previous vlog. He hasn't seen me, I haven't seen him. Yeah, from day one we just clicked. Lagi siya nakikipaglaro po sa akin, gusto niyang ma-carry ko siya sa aking shoulder, ganyan, mga dangerous place po. Kaya lang sinabi po niya sa akin kasi alam niyo mga boys, kahit naman din po ako nung kabataan ko po, gusto kong lagi akong nasusugatan, ganyan. Pero naalagaan ko naman din po siya kasi I don't want him to get hurt. And si Luis po, napakalambing. And yan, ang napakagaling po niyang kumanta. And yan, mas nakaka-miss po talaga yung dalawang bata kasi napalapit po ako sa kanila na for those short period of time. I really got to spend my time together with them and with my family sa Philippines po, sa Batangas. Mainit. Dito po tayo sa Imprenta. Galing lang po namin ng beach. So, dumiretso na po kami dito. Mainit ngayon dito sa Pinas, sa Batangas. Ayan, ang gaganda ng mga cars nila dito. Hey vlog, welcome to my guys. Dito kami imprenta.
Dito ay
Ito ang
Imprenta.
kanilang price.
For sharing po yung menu namin.
kasama namin yung
Thank you. Hello. Hello.
Lang I'll take a picture.
Hello.
Means I'm gonna make videos soon and it's gonna be very
Yeah.
expensive.
We'll edit.
Uncle Jeff, you will love my videos. It will be very expensive.
Expensive?
Sino babayan?
If you make money. There. Maganda dito guys. It's very yeah.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Yun ang specialty po nila.
Specialty crocodile.
Usually daw dito sa imprenta it's fine dining, so it's more casual, pero pinagbigyan na lang kami ngayon kasi looks like it's not busy today, so yeah. This is my family here. Say hi tayo.
Ay.
Nakain si Jitro ng beef.
Dahil ilagang baka.
Bulalo.
Kuya Winnie.
Lagi ako pinapain sa labas na yun.
Hello.
Hi, I'm gonna make videos soon like you.
Follow him, guys.
Am I going to be your enemy?
I'm gonna play play games. With the blocks on
Mayay. Ganda si Bando.
Yes. That's the beef.
Doon pinitay siya si Delio.
Sino ka?
Si Delio.
Pigeon.
Ayun bata.
There's the beef barota.
Baka. Baka.
Paisa sila dito, guys. So, there's more.
And that is bulalo. Here.
Beef bulalo.
Doon na na.
Yun niabot ka na lang. So, nila.
The bone marrow is
Kakain ka na.
huge. Look at this.
Hindi mo.
Ibang bulalo dito.
Pinipicture pa nila.
There's more coming.
Nakamanlag na.
This is the extra soup for the bulalo.
Maybe we'll take a picture of us. Maybe we'll take a picture.
Mama, tatay, kuya. 1, 2, 1 more.
Okay, sir. How's your experience with us?
Good.
How's the food?
What?
How's
Good.
the food? Good? That's all you can say? Food? Good?
You make me jump either. It's very fun and dangerous.
How's the egg?
Food. Say something about the food.
I put it odor. Like he ordered it. Like,
May extra soup po kayo. Pwede ko po silang pag-legit. Dadalhin po sa dulo yung gulay.
Tikman mo na? Bulalo?
Wala ko na ba?
Repeat. Ibigay sila doon na.
You're the other. The other side daw ng ano ay
Now we are having a Carmen's Best
dark chocolate.
dark chocolate, and this is
Rocky Road.
Rocky Road,
Stop!
the best ice cream. I think hands down this is the best ice cream. Well, Philippines has a best ice cream compared to what we have in Canada. I'm not bragging about Philippines, but the best ice cream. That's the whole flavors there. They have, I think, 10 flavors. We're going for a family picture right now.
Ay, sige.
Pwede kami dito.
Ito na lang, dito.
To you? Or dito between auntie and uncle Jen? Come on.
I think he's
Sala?
I'm gonna so much. So that I'm gonna feel
Thank you, ah.
Thank you.
that I'm gonna feel big for that guy. Because of that guy, I think still you.
I love you.
Gosh.
Look.
Wait, it's a grasshopper. It's a grasshopper. Hi, grasshopper. There's not a
Ganda to, guys.
I want to have a grasshopper. You mean that guy? Mama,
My family.
you mean that guy who said it?
Philippines.
Don't say that, say that. So continue hugging.
Halika na, Lens.
Dito ka lang.
We're going for a family pic again. This time is here in the stairway.
Angkol pa pang kalama. Paniligaw, hindi rin ko.
Bila na kaya niya ng mukha ka.
Waki, waki, waki.
Waki daw, waki, waki, waki.
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 Marami na daw.